gave him a big like, piece of wood or something. It went flying and it hit the leaf. Here, that big square there went flying and hit the leaf. What's that? Listen. Oh, it went flying and hit the leaf. Get the marshmallows?
Huh?
Get the marshmallows?
Where?
Well, we wanted you to get them.
I've been waiting for some smoke. I haven't seen any smoke. Where's the smoke?
We had a little bit of technical. What? THAT.
Your brother's quicker than you. You were trying to think of D-U-C-K, weren't you?
Go straight up and down so you can actually make a hole. There you go.
Dangerous when he's doing that.
Ooh, how deep is the ice? That's the question. How much ice is there? Ooh, it's not very deep. Oh, that's actually quite thin, isn't it? Take. As far as you can go.
Really good swim. Like a ball. Got it. Good job, Abram.
Almost hit him in the face with your stick.
Goes boo!
Tell him not to drop it into the boat. It'll smack her. It'll smash. Drop it in.
Hey guys, if you drop it, it might smash. So we want to be real careful.
Did you drop it in the water?
No,
we're
out in the middle of the lake.
Into the boat gently,
Right here.
So we want to
That's why.
It's like an anchor. We get a nice anchor.
Well,
I think it's definitely the back because
Better move to the front of the boat. Did it go in?